What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to tell you my top 8 cryptos, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why I hold them. So I hold, I think, 12 or 13, but I'm going to give you the top 8 today. I wanted to talk about Mara real quick because this is just getting started. I just made a post for Patreon members this morning with my exact target of the next price, and it's going to happen. So make sure if you want more information on Mara and a bunch of stocks and crypto, join the links out down below. Prices do go up June 1st. That's in about 7 or 8 days. Let's go over the first 4. And you can see that Dogecoin is my number 1. So I've allocated a lot of the money I have invested in crypto recently to Dogecoin. I've given the reasons why. I really do believe Dogecoin will at least go to 68 cents. Okay, Dogecoin follows Bitcoin very closely. And then even last cycle, when Bitcoin topped, I think it was April 2021, Dogecoin then rallied from 7 cents. So in April, like April 12th or 21st, literally in 4 weeks, Dogecoin went from 7 cents all the way to 75 cents. It was a crazy move. And I think Dogecoin is going to have another crazy move. I think we can even surpass 68 cents, but that's really my next target based off the charts and everything that I've done. So that's why I hold Dogecoin. Jasmy, obviously my number 2. I talk about Jasmy every single day. You guys know the reasons why I hold Jasmy. I really do believe that Jasmy will surpass 6 cents. That was the most recent high. My target is still, in the short term, about 8.5 to 9 cents. Might see some resistance there, but really what's going to tell us to get out of Jasmy is looking at the MACD on a daily time frame and the RSI at overbought levels. Okay, and I break that down. I have a video. I can post it right here if you're interested. It's the perfect exit strategy, and I actually go over Jasmy's chart so you can see exactly what's happened before is going to happen again, and you'll know exactly when to sell. XRP. Why do I hold XRP? Well, we bought XRP under 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. I remember buying XRP in 2019 at 18 cents. I was in the gym, and 2018 is when I first bought crypto. The only cryptos I bought in 2018 was XRP and Dogecoin. Well, that's actually a lie. I actually held Bitcoin in 2015, but I ended up selling it because I had no idea what Bitcoin would become, right? Then I started when I really started to invest, it was XRP and Dogecoin. So XRP is great. Like, it's a solid hold. I feel it's safe. It has a huge use case. Obviously, you guys know the reasons why we hold XRP. It has real world utility. Like, it's actually gonna do something. So it's not a scam. What about Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is gonna reach $1 million one day. I honestly believe this. Right now, it's in price discovery. It's at $111,000, guys. Absolutely insane. New all-time highs. We've been saying that every single day on this channel. Very bullish on Bitcoin right now. I don't think the top is in anytime soon. I have an indicator that's actually on my chart over here, and it literally tells you when the 2 lines touch. Okay, when the 2 lines touch on this indicator, that will be the top for Bitcoin, and you can look at it on the daily and the weekly time frame. I studied the last 2 cycles. It works. It's gonna work for this time, and I have a video for members also that I made 2 days ago. All right, so again, invest in yourself if you want to learn more about all of this. Links are down below. CRV, another banger that I like. This is going to go past $3. I think right now it's at like 79, 80 cents. Okay, so very bullish on CRV. I think my entire portfolio right now can at least do a 4x. So I think I could get a 400% return with how diversified I am with my cryptos. That may not seem like a lot to you, but I guess depending how much money you have invested, you may want to be more conservative. If I had only a couple $1,000s invested, I might just throw it all in whiff, which you can see down there. I might just throw it all in a high risk crypto. But for me, I like to be diversified with ones that I feel very confident in. I'm always trying to get a 500% return. And maybe that could happen also with these coins. I don't think Bitcoin's going to give me a 500% return right now, trading at 111,000. But all the other ones I'm listing right here outside of ETH, I think will do very well. And again, I have some other high risk cryptos that are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is just the top 8. AOs, I think, will go past $2 easily. AOs has been great for us. I first called this at 11, 12 cents back in the day. Shout out to all the members that took advantage of that. It went over $1. We sold early. We got out at like 82 cents from buying it at 13, 14 cents. So that was a great return. Then I recently bought more around 40 cents recently, 39, 40, 41 cents. I bought like 3 times AOs, and I think this will go past $2, maybe even further. Okay, I got to look more into it, of course. ETH, obviously, I have some ETH. I think it's going to be great. It's going to go past $6,000. And then WIF has been great for us. We bought a bunch under 53, 54 cents. And then it ran up. I sold some at $1.02. Okay, so I doubled that investment. And I sold even more at $1.27. And then from the $1.27, I recently just bought more. I even sold some XRP this morning for WIF because I feel like it's ready for the next leg up. And I think WIF's going to go past $5. Okay, right now it's at like $1.15. So with this, guys, not financial advice, of course, all my own opinion. But let me know if you like this, if you want to see the rest of my cryptos, and have a great day. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. Wanted to pop in and let you know that if you're looking for a solid community with almost 1,000 members, we have 999 members right now with over 1,600 posts, almost 1,700 posts. Make sure you join the Patreon. Links are down below. You can get in as low as $9.99 per month. This will be ending June 1st. All the tiers will be going up in price, but the people that are members, the ones that have been riding with me, the ones that even sign up today or before June 1st, I will never raise prices. I don't have time to show you all the proof, all the posts that I've made, everything that I've called out, and show you how a ton of members have made a ton of money with us. I mean, I'll post some right here so you can see. These are the most recent ones. But again, if you're looking for some solid advice, you want to start learning the charts, you want to start understanding RSI, MACD, stochastic, when to buy, when to start scaling out, join us. Links are down below. We'll see you in there.